Hello, my name is Tomasz Poźniak. I'm Chief Development Officer at SatRevolution, primarily responsible of the development of Earth observations solutions, optical instruments, and the missions around it. Basically, the STORK constellation primary goal is Earth observation. What we did is developed a optical instrument which is not positioned in a classic along axis of a satellite, but it's flipped 90 degrees to look at nadir. So Vision 300, which is an optical instrument on board of every STORK satellite, has certain capabilities, right? So its capabilities is to provide the Earth imagery in 4 bands. These are the blue, green, red, and near-infrared, which is called just near. So basically, this instrument is capable of providing scenes which are approximately 14 times 12 kilometers, more or less, from a orbit of 500 kilometers, with a GSD around 5.8 meters. So this is basically the resolution of an instrument providing these instruments capabilities. The Vision 300 instrument on board of each of the STORK constellation satellites is basically equipped with a camera, with a lens, electronics, onboard electronics, and all the frame around. So basically, starting from the lens, it's a 300 millimeter lens, which is a fixed focal length, obviously, and it's focused at infinity to keep the sharpest image of the Earth possible. Please come and observe Earth with us. Our STORK constellation is expanding. We're just launching 7 satellites of a STORK constellation, but in the future there will be more. So observe us, and thank you.